In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Emirates free lounge access. The easiest place to start is the official Emirates website. Head over to emirates.com and look for the section about lounges worldwide. This page gives you the most reliable and up-to-date information about who qualifies for complimentary entry, so it's a good idea to check it directly before you travel. Once you're on the lounges page, you'll see that Emirates offers complimentary access to its lounges around the world for certain travelers. These lounges are designed to give you a more comfortable airport experience, with space to relax, eat, and wait for your flight in a quieter setting. The key here is understanding whether your ticket type or your Skywards membership level makes you eligible. If you read through the details, Emirates explains that its worldwide lounges are complimentary for first-class customers, business class customers, and Emirates Skywards Platinum members. That means if you're booked in first class or business class, you may already have lounge access included with your trip. If you're a Platinum member, you can also qualify for access based on your membership benefits. Looking more closely at cabin-based access, first class travelers generally receive free access to both first class and business class lounges. Depending on the specific rules, guest access may also be included, so it's worth checking the exact policy shown for your route or lounge location. Business class travelers typically get free access to business class lounges worldwide. However, be careful to review the fare rules, because some special saver tickets or promotional fare types may have different lounge access conditions. Another important category is Emirates Skywards status. Platinum members receive free access to first class and business class lounges worldwide, and this may also include guest access, such as 1 adult and 2 children, based on the benefits listed by Emirates. Gold members can also receive free access to business class lounges worldwide when flying in economy class or higher, which can be a very valuable perk if you travel often. So, the main thing you need to do is confirm which category you fall into: first class, business class, Platinum Skywards, or Gold Skywards. Then compare that with the lounge rules on the Emirates page to make sure your fare type and route qualify. Before heading to the airport, double-check the latest terms on the lounge information page, since access rules can vary by fare, destination, or membership status. That quick review can save you time and help you avoid surprises, so you'll know exactly whether your Emirates lounge access is included for free.